nation, Mahatma Gandhi, as well as Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of our country. So on this occasion, we will pay our homage to both these great sons of our motherland, and we too celebrate their birthday nicely here every year. So this year too, we are going to give a start to the celebration by offering garlands to the portraits of these two great sons of our motherland, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. To do this honor, I would like to request our honorable administrator sir, principal sir, and all our teachers, please come here and do the honor. Give clapping. We know a lot about their contribution to our motherland. We must try to follow their footprints. They are ideal leaders of our country. They surprise the whole world with their wonderful ideas. Both the leaders loved
अंग्रेजों के सामने झुके नहीं, उनको मन में ये आस था, शरीर में ताकत नहीं थी पर मन में देश को आज़ादी दिलाने का विश्वास था। At first, a very good morning to all of you present here. I am Jyotirmay Anand from 8A, got this golden opportunity. At this day, it is the 154th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and I have got this chance to deliver a short speech on the topic of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was a Diwan. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Pusli Bai. He was raised under a very religious family. At his childhood, he was taught the value of self-discipline and non-violence. His mother, Pusli Bai, taught him several varieties of life which Mahatma Gandhi followed with his whole heart. So this is the reason why we call Mahatma Gandhi the man of great value. Time passed, and at the age of 90, Mahatma Gandhi left his home and went to London for studying law. When he was in London, he got success and he decided to go on South Africa to represent an Indian film. So he went to South Africa with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. In South Africa, he lived for nearly 20 years. Well, as he was a citizen of India that lived in South Africa, he had to face many discrimination for his brown color. One day, Mahatma Gandhi was traveling through a train. Then a white driver beat him and threw from the train because Mahatma Gandhi refused to give up a seat to an European passenger. Then Mahatma Gandhi knew that how Indians are treated in the society, and Mahatma Gandhi decided to bring a good change. He knew that every brown people in the South Africa had faced same problem. Then he decided to fight instead of ignoring the situation. This showed his courage and he teaches everyone the value of truth and non-violence. And he believed in the philosophy of Raja Harishchandra. In July 1914, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India after spending almost 20 years in South Africa. In India, he became leader of many movements for Indian independence. He launched several passive resistance for the Rowlatt Act. And he launched several movements like non-cooperation, Khalifat, and Dandi March, etc. His aim was to give freedom to India. Then, after many types of movements, India finally got freedom in 1947. But India was divided into two major colonies, India and Pakistan. Mahatma Gandhi was against this decision, but later on he agreed with it. Mahatma Gandhi searched for everything for good for the nation. So we call Mahatma Gandhi the father of nation. And when Mahatma Gandhi was returning from a evening prayer, he was shot by Nathuram Godse. He died an unnatural death. India lost a great son. We cannot forget such a great son of our motherland. Mahatma Gandhi was the person who gave his whole life to the nation, and he was died on 30th January 1948. And this is the reason because Mahatma Gandhi takes respect not only in India but all over the world. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today on the great occasion of the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, myself, Mausam Kumari of Standard 9E, presenting a song written by Sri Kavi Pradeep. The song is Dedi Hame Azadi. Dedi Hame Azadi Bina Khark Bina Dhar Masal Sabarmati ke Sant tune kar diya kamal. Dedi Hame Azadi Bina Khark Bina Dhar साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई. And great patriotic in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869.
तेने कहिए जो पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जो पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान नानी रे। वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जो पीड़ पराई जाने रे। सकल लोक मान सहनु वंदे, निंदा न करे के नीरे। वाचिकाछ मन निश्चल राखे, वाचिकाछ मन निश्चल राखे। धन धन जननी तेरी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जो पीड़ पराई जाने रे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। में एक ऐसे समाज की कल्पना जहाँ पे सभी कोई बराबर हैं, कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं, न कोई काम बड़ा। गांधी जी का मूल उद्देश्य देश को एक ऐसे पद पर ले जाना जो सदा सफलता की ओर अग्रसर रहे, समाज में भाईचारा बना रहे। ऐसी सोच थी हमारे महात्मा गांधी की। तो